Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi hand rolls at home. First, let's get our rice ready. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked sushi rice, seasoned with a mixture of 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold the seasoning into the warm rice, then let it cool to room temperature. This perfectly seasoned rice is the foundation of delicious hand rolls. Now let's talk about your fillings. The key is fresh, sushi-grade ingredients. For fish, think tuna or salmon, sliced into strips about 1/4 inch thick and 3½ inches long. For vegetables, cucumber and avocado work wonderfully, also cut into similar strips. You can also add other favorites like imitation crab or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra flavor and texture. Time to roll. Take a half sheet of nori and place its shiny side down in your hand. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice, about 2 tablespoons, onto the bottom left corner, leaving the top right corner clear. Arrange your chosen fillings diagonally across the rice. Now, gently roll the nori from the bottom left corner upwards, forming a cone shape. Use a few grains of rice to seal the top edge. Your delicious sushi hand rolls are ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with a side of soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. Don't be afraid to get creative with your fillings. The possibilities are truly endless. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade sushi feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.